So what's up, Trading Kingdom? Here is my today's profit. Today is 27 August, Thursday, 7:11 p.m. And so today I post a I just get the trade early in the morning. I got about usdcad. I thought USD would gonna go up because the news comes in and whole thing just kind of positive, you know what I'm saying. But I got loss of 5 grand here, 5 freaking grand. Then I just I don't want it to put the trade of 12 bucks, but who cares, man? Nothing. So here is my profits. Today I just right now I put the trade on gold. So here you can see $2, $2 lot, $2 lot, everything, and I made that much money all on gold. Here's 0.10, 0.2025, 3 point. So let me show you my account. So here I deposited about 21 grand 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago I deposited 21 grand and I lose the 6 grand, more than 6 grand today. So I got in deep kind of shit. Okay. So here you can see all the thing. I already show you guys my trading strategy here. It is my Forex trading strategy. So let me show you. 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame. So I put the trade on here. I put the trade on 1943, I guess. Yeah, when the news comes in and dollar just goes down, and I sold it for 1968 or 69 something. So I made that much money. I made about 300, more than 300 pips per trade. And here is the you can say weak resistance area. So that's why the trade comes down, and people are just kind of selling the USDs, maybe buy the other currency. So the dollar comes down after I just close the trade. When I close the trade, I thought it would be go about 1985 or something, but just play safe, man, play safe. Then it comes down, and right now it touched the $1910, and it's you can say support level here back down, and let's see what will happen next. So that's my today's profit. Really good day for me. And I also put the all the recordings of it tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. Thank you.
Get out of my head, walk out the opinions until I am dead. They all go to sleep, but you listen instead. Listen some more and you'll cease to regret. I keep on working, I got it on track. You gonna see my name up on the flag. I tell the shit and I'll never come back. I keep this bitch on the line to attack. Never look back, I'll make a record like crash. Top of my stay the same, no doubt. I've always played the game all out, and I am here to stay right now. So don't call